Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the last lesson, we have learned past perfect tense in Tulu. Today we are going to learn past continuous tense in Tulu. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also, please like and share this video if you liked it. We have already learned present continuous tense in the lesson number 16. Yanu povandulla. I am going. Povandu plus ulle. Povandulle. Here, povandu is present adverbial participle and ulle is the simple present form of the auxiliary verb ul. To make it past continuous tense, we have to remove ulle and add simple past tense form of the auxiliary verb uppu to the present adverbial participle. Uppu means be. Now let us see verb conjugation of the verb uppu in simple past tense, which we have already know. Yanu itta, I was. E itta, you were. I or imbe itte, he was. Alu or molu ittal, she was. Au or undu ittandu, it was. Nama or enkulu itta, we were. Iru or nikulu ittar, you were. Akulu mukulu aru or meer ittir, they were. Nekulu or aikulu itta, they were. Now we have to add this to the present adverbial participle. Povandu plus itte, povanditte, I was going. Yanu povanditte, I was going. E povanditta, you were going. I or imbe povanditte, he was going. Alu or molu povandittal, she was going. Au or ondu povandittandu, it was going. Nama or enkulu povanditta, we were going. Iru or nikulu povandittar, you were going. Akulu or mukulu or aru or meer povandittir, they were going. Nekulu or aikulu povanditta, they were going. Okay, now let us see a few example sentences in past continuous tense in Tulu. Yanu unonditte, I was eating lunch or dinner. E gobbanditta, you were playing. Iru dada maltondittar, what were you doing? I ode povanditte, where was he going to? Aru nikku kaatondittir, he or she was waiting for you. Alu pada panondittal, she was singing. Jokulu odonditta, children were reading. Pakkilu baanadu raavonditta, birds were flying in the sky. Akulu Tulu kaltondittir, they were learning Tulu. ಆ ಊರುಡು ಮಾತಿರ್ಲ ಖುಷಿಟು ಒಟ್ಟುಗು ಬದುಕೊಂದಿತ್ತೇರ್. In that village everyone was living together happily. ಪಡ್ಡಾಯಿಡು ಸೂರ್ಯ ಕಂತೊಂದಿತ್ತೆ, sun was setting down in the west. ಜೋರು ಬರ್ಸ ಬರೊಂದಿತ್ತನ್, it was raining heavily. ಅಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನಾಡೊಂದಿತ್ತೇರ್, mom was searching for you. Okay, now let us see negative forms in past continuous tense. Negative forms in past continuous tense can be formed by using the negative form of the auxiliary verb uppu in simple past tense. Yanu ittija, I was not. E ittija, you were not. Aye or imbe ittije, he was not. Alu or molu ittijal, she was not. Au or undu ittiji, it was not. Nama or enkulu ittija, we were not. Iru or nikulu ittijar, you were not. Akulu or mukulu Aru or Meru Ittijer, they were not. Nekulu or Aikulu Ittija, they were not. Now we have to add this to the present adverbial participle. Povandu plus Ittija, Povandittija, I was not going. Yanu Povandittija, I was not going. E Povandittija, you were not going. I or Imbe Povandittije, he was not going. Alu or Molu Povandittijal, she was not going. Au or Undu Povandittiji, it was not going. Nama or Enkulo Povandittija, we were not going. Iru or Nikulu Povandittija, you were not going. Akulu or Mokulu, Aru or Meru Povandittija, they were not going. Nekulu or Aikulu Povandittija, they were not going. Now let us see a few negative sentences in past continuous tense in Tulu. Akkulu enada paatirondittijere, they were not speaking with me. Aru tulutu kate bareyondittijere, he or she was not writing stories in Tulu. Barsa barondittiji, it was not raining. I odegla povondittije, he was not going to anywhere. Dumbu yanacha parundittije, I was not drinking tea before. Okay, now let us see interrogative sentences in past continuous tense. Ee ink kaatondittana, were you waiting for me? Al odondittala, was she reading? I gobbondittijene, wasn't he playing? Akkulu barundittijere, weren't they coming? Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next lesson, we will learn postpositions in Tulu.
Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.